Jai Hind candidates. So I'm Inkamada Tiwari, ex-senior psychologist, Air Force Selection Board Varanasi and Dehradun. And today, as I had promised in my last lecture, I will be covering some part of analysis. Okay, जो आप पिक्चर देखते हैं और उसके बाद जब आप स्टोरी लिखते हैं TAT में. Okay, so how does the story get analyzed? Okay, and what mistakes come out from the story? That we will try and learn today. Okay, so मैं क्या करूंगा, मैं आपको इसके बाद एक PPT पे ले जाऊंगा जहां पे मैंने एक पिक्चर फ्लैश करनी है. मैं आपको पिक्चर दिखाऊंगा. वो पिक्चर दिखा के मुझे कई बच्चों ने अपने रिस्पॉन्सेज भेजे हैं. ओके, उन्होंने अपनी स्टोरीज लिख के भेजी हैं. तो मैं फिर उन स्टोरीज को एनालाइज करूंगा उसमें, एंड आई विल टेल यू एज टू what all gray points were there, what all mistakes did they do, or whatever the good point was there, so that we can learn better and we can understand better कि जब हम स्टोरी लिखें तो किन पॉइंट्स को ध्यान में रखें और किन पॉइंट्स को हम अवॉइड करें. Okay, so from now onwards what we'll do, I will shift on to PowerPoint presentation और वहां पे हम एक पिक्चर देखेंगे पहले. उसके बाद मैं कुछ बच्चों की स्टोरीज वहां पे फ्लैश करूंगा या मैं पढ़ूंगा उसको, और उसके बाद मैं आपको बताऊंगा कि वो स्टोरीज ठीक थी या उनमें क्या क्या पॉइंट्स हमें इंप्रूवमेंट के लिए डालने चाहिए. ओके, सो ओवर टू PowerPoint presentation now.
Right, candidates, now you can see the picture in front of you, and this picture, if you see it, observe it carefully, the picture will be there, as you all know that it will be there for 30 seconds in front of you. And in this picture it's a living room kind of a thing, drawing room जैसा normally घरों में होता है. There is one small boy who is playing with a toy. It's a kind of a tank toy. टैंक के शेप में एक टॉय है और उसकी मदर बगल में खड़ी हुई है. एंड देयर इज़ वन फोटोग्राफ ऑन द वॉल, इफ़ यू सी, जिसमें कि एक आर्मी पर्सनल टाइप का किसी की फ़ोटो है और उसके ऊपर माला चढ़ी हुई है. दैट मीन्स दैट पर्सन इज़ नो मोर. ओके, ही प्रोबेबली हैज़ गिवन हिज लाइफ in war, saving his country. Okay, so this is the normal basic picture which is there, and this is a very relevant picture which you may find in SSB also. Okay, now depending upon this thing, we will now see the stories which have been given to us. Okay, now I will tell you here only that before we go on to stories, we read the PIQ of each and every candidate and then we analyze it. Okay, so now the first story is there, and I will read it out for you all so that we can analyze it in a better manner. Okay, so this boy has written Vikrant was just 11 years old when his father Subedar Karandeep martyred in Operation Vijay. Seeing his father in uniform, he was always passionate to what he has written, wear the olive green uniform. His mother understanding his interest always motivated him by telling him stories of various types of armored forces with the guidance of his mother and father's friend. Vikrant cleared the exam. Then after cleared the exam of Sainik School, where he got all the training in a military environment, and later on, after getting commission from IMA, opted the regiment his father was part of. Vikrant was happy to be part of the prestigious organization with his father's regiment. Okay, so this is the story which he has written. Okay, so a couple of points as far as story is written. Please write your stories in a legible handwriting. Legible handwriting means the handwriting which the assessor can read comfortably. इस लड़के ने जो लिखी है हैंड राइटिंग वो थोड़ी सी क्लमजी टाइप की है, जो कि पढ़ने में थोड़ा सा दिक्कत सा कर रही थी. ओके, नेवर डोंट वरी अबाउट इट. ठीक है, जितना भी इसने लिखा है you can find out that he is telling about a boy Vikrant who was just 11 years old when his father Subedar Karandeep was martyred in Operation Vijay. So Operation Vijay was the Kargil war which we fought, and in that his father got martyred. Okay, so the story is relevant with the picture which has been shown to you, and the father got martyred. The boy who was very much interested in joining army, okay, was also motivated by the mother, okay, and he took help from the father's friend to get into Sainik school first, and thereafter cleared his examination, joined IMA and got commissioned. So the route which the candidate has taken is okay. It's correct that he started off with Sainik school, because Sainik schools, you know, that they are the feeders for getting commissioned into armed forces, and subsequently he took the help of his uncle or father's friend and got into Sainik school, got into IMA, and thereafter joined the regiment. Okay, the only point in this story is that the father's friend is not visible in the picture. This is one character whom he got it from outside. Okay, so your attempt should be to contain within the resources which has been given to you. Okay, try not to get someone from outside for any kind of help, because then it shows that you are not very comfortable or not very confident in dealing with the situation yourself. Okay, you want some extra help or someone helping from outside or giving you a helping hand so that you can complete the job which has been given to you. Okay, so if you remove that thing, if you remove the part of getting help from father, if he would have put in effort from his side along with his mother, okay, mother is there almost always, the resource can be used for your achieving the goal, then it would have been a better story. Okay, why? Because if this kind of a trait, taking help from others and getting characters from outside, is repeatedly coming on in your other stories also, then this will become a confirmed इन्फ्रेंस कि आपको जितना रिसोर्स दिया जाता है उससे आप काम पूरा कंप्लीट नहीं कर पाते हैं और आपको एक्स्ट्रा रिसोर्स की हर बार ज़रूरत होती है. नंबर 2, आपका कॉन्फिडेंस लेवल भी उतना अच्छा नहीं है, आपको कॉन्फिडेंस और सपोर्ट की बाहर से ज़रूरत होती है. सो दीज टू क्वालिटीज will come in the negative side. Okay, that is your organizing ability and your self confidence. Okay, now we come to the another story, and in this you can see it is written, Suman is a teacher in a school. She was married to Havaldar Ravinder of Armored Regiment. He got martyred in Kashmir. Suman had a son named Ravi. She inspires her son to follow the footsteps of his father. She tells the tale of valor to her son every night before sleep of various wars. She in the morning took him to the school and pick him up after her duty. She took him to the temples daily, daily in the evening, and in the remaining time took notes of his day and help him in his homework. She does all efforts to build something he has written, I can't read, his son, so he could could serve the country. Okay, so basically in this also the central character becomes a mother. Of course, she is there. So Suman is a teacher and she was married to Havaldar Ravinder, and Havaldar Ravinder got martyred in Kashmir. Okay, now the kid is small. Okay, in the previous story, if you see that he had taken the kid of 11 years. So 11 years was also not very relevant, because kid is appearing to be about 2 to 3 years or maybe 4-5 years old, not more than that. So in this, Suman is taking care of his son, and she does all the things which are required to be done for upbringing him and thereafter making him an army officer so that he can go and serve his country. Okay, but if you see the slide, in this the candidate has quite a few places he has written and then he has cut it, and again he has written, and there are some kind of afterthoughts which are coming out. Okay, so this cutting gives an impression that the candidate was not very clear in his mind. Okay, there was some kind of a confusion in his mind, so he is writing and he is cutting, he is writing and is cutting. Okay, so this will happen in the initial stories more. Why? Because there during your initial stories you are in more of a conscious state. Okay, subsequently when the stress is increased, then you go into the unconscious part of your personality that starts coming up. Okay, so this kind of a confusion will put a question mark on your speed of decision. Okay, that you are not very clear in your mind as to what you have to do. Okay, so Suman in this story has done most of the thing which is required to be completed by a mother, so that a son can be brought up in a norm in a correct manner. Okay, she tells him the story of Vela. Okay, takes him to the school, picks him up, takes him to the temple also. Okay, so it also gives an indication that candidate is slightly God fearing kind of a candidate. Okay, believes in God. Okay, so this we will confirm. Of course, we will confirm it in the subsequent stories of this, and we will see whether this God fearing nature is there inherent, or it is some kind of a help or some kind of a support or some kind of a extra boost in the confidence required. Okay, people do take God's name to boost up their confidence also. Okay, so this also will get confirmed in subsequent stories of this candidate. Otherwise, the story appears to be a okay story in which the central character, that is the mother of the student, mother of that boy, has done everything which is required to be done to bring up the son in a proper manner. Okay, so her decision, her responsibilities, okay, everything is coming out in a positive manner. Okay, so if after joining the regiment, if he would have done something great about his country, added one or two more lines, the story would have been a better story than what it is right now. Okay, now we will come on to the third story. Okay, so he has written, he has given a title to the story. If you can see first, child playing with the tank and a martyr's photograph. Okay, so there is no requirement of writing the title to the story. Okay, you will be wasting time, so it is not required, which this boy has done. So this can be done away with it. Okay, मैंने अपने जो previous lecture दिए थे TAT में, मैंने उसमें ही बताया था कि the title of the story is not required to be written. Okay, subsequently he has written the story which I will read out now, and it is: Anuj was a school kid and was the son of brave martyred soldier. Since his childhood he wanted to be like his father. He started preparing for army from a very young age. He had made a timetable for him and follows it strictly. He does regular exercise to make himself fit, helps his mother in day-to-day work. He followed his routine and cleared the exam as well as the SSB. He performed well in the academy as well and got his father's regiment. There he did many insurgency operation and made his unit and mother proud. Okay, so if you would have seen in the picture, कैरेक्टर्स कितने थे उसमें? एक छोटा बच्चा था और एक लेडी थी, दो कैरेक्टर्स थे और एक फोटोग्राफ थी. ओके, सो इन दिस स्टोरी द छोटा किड is being named as Anuj by this boy, the candidate. Okay, so okay, Anuj is a son of was a school kid. Okay, that is okay, we can take it he is a school going kind of a kid, but in this story he has done everything himself. That means Anuj wanted to be like his father. He started preparing, he made a timetable, he followed it strictly, everything. And in the bargain, this candidate has not completely utilized the lady, the female character which is also there. Okay. Now, this female character is appearing to be the mother, should be utilized in a more effective manner in upbringing the son, okay, guiding him to take the correct path, to follow his dream and subsequently achieve whatever he wanted to. Okay. But the candidate has done everything by himself, okay, and has just utilized one line for helping his mother in day to day work. ओके तो ये थोड़ा सा आउट ऑफ सिंक हो रहा है इस स्टोरी में. ओके अगर इसमें अनुज ने अपनी मदर की हेल्प के साथ अपने ड्रीम्स को रियलाइज़ किया होता, ओके तो वो एक अच्छी स्टोरी निकल के आती. ओके अगर किसी भी स्टोरी में हीरो अपने आप, जो सेंट्रल फिगर अपने आप से ही सारा काम करता रहे और अपने आप से ही सारी गोल्स को अचीव करना चाहे, तो वो ये इन्फ्रेंस देता है कि द कैंडिडेट इज स्लाइटली सेल्फ सेंटर्ड काइंड ऑफ अ पर्सन हु वांट्स टू डू एवरीथिंग बाय हिमसेल्फ एंड डजंट वांट टू बी अ पार्ट ऑफ अ ग्रुप. ओके अगर ये एक स्टोरी में से हम नहीं इन्फर करते हैं, बट अगर ये रिकरेंट फीचर हुआ हर एक स्टोरी में, वो कैंडिडेट हर बाकी सारे जो रिसोर्सेज हैं, बाकी सारे जो कैरेक्टर्स हैं उनको अवॉइड कर रहा है और सिर्फ अपने सेंट्रल फिगर के बारे में ही, सेंट्रल फिगर के द्वारा ही सारा काम करवा रहा है, सारे जॉब, सारा गोल जो उसने है वो खुद ही कर रहा है विदाउट यूटिलाइजिंग अदर्स, देन ऑफ कोर्स इट शोज अ कन्फर्म ट्रेट ऑफ self-centered person, which is not a correct thing. It will be very, very negative as far as your adaptability, your cooperation and other things are concerned to when we keep it in the light of OLQ. Okay. So, जब भी आप story लिखें, keep it in mind that you utilize all the characters. Okay. Don't leave out any character. Don't get any character from outside as far as possible. Okay, as far as possible. अगर नहीं बन पा रहा है तो of course you will have to get it, but it should not be a recurrent feature. It should not become a trait कि ये हर बार बाहर से ला रहा है या हर बार वो कैरेक्टर्स को अवॉइड कर रहा है और सिर्फ सेंट्रल फिगर के द्वारा ही सारे काम करवा रहा है. Then it is not a good story. Okay, it will become negative on part of your OLQs. Okay, so these three stories जैसे अभी हमने डिस्कस की, एंड सब्सिक्वेंटली वी विल डिस्कस more about such stories. Okay, you can also send me the stories if you want in a PDF format, as I've already told you. Now, few takeaways from today's analysis. Number one, utilize the resources which has been given to you in an optimal manner. I mean to say that don't ask for additional resource from outside. Neither do not waste the resource which has been given to you. It points out towards your organizing ability and your how well can you plan out your activities. Okay. Number two, while your hero or while your central figure is doing the job, he is achieving his aim, he should achieve the aim with along with all the resources which are there. Don't project him in achieving his aim in a aloofish kind of a manner or single-handedly, I will say. Okay, like for example, if the mother is also there, utilize this character, the mother character, also in your story and show that you are a kind of a team person. You like to work along with other people. If you will show that you are working alone, then it will point out towards your self-centeredness. Okay, which will put a question mark on your adaptability. Okay, and third thing is relate to the stimulus as far as possible. अगर पिक्चर में एक बच्चा दिख रहा है तो you start off your story from a बच्चा, from a small boy who later on becomes a grown up boy, joins the army and serves his country. ठीक है, बट स्टार्ट आप उसको बच्चे से ही करिए. डोंट स्टार्ट ऑफ फ्रॉम एकदम ग्रोन अप बॉय से. व्हाई? बिकॉज पिक्चर में तो आपको एक बच्चा दिख रहा है. ओके, सो दिस विल make your story flow in a correct manner.
Okay, candidates, as you all know that I am Wing Commander Mukesh Tiwari, and if you all want, anybody, किसी को भी चाहिए, किसी को भी अगर ये लगता है कि वो अपना स्टोरी को एनालाइज करा पाए, तो I will be flashing my email ID in the video. Okay, you all can write a story, and thereafter in PDF format you can email to me. Okay, so in my next lectures, subsequent lectures, I will take on those stories also. Okay, so उसके लिए I will show you a picture. Okay, couple of pictures will be there. You all can practice writing your stories, and we will take on those stories in our subsequent lectures for analysis. Right. Thank you, guys, candidates.